Yesterday we got a yellowfin tuna, and tuna is actually my favorite seafood. Look at how beautiful that is. My mother-in-law is staying with us at the moment, and she makes delicious fry bread. And if you have never eaten it like this, alright, Kewpie this is not from my homeland, but shout out the Japanese, Kewpie. And then she also made mussel fritters, fresh from the barge. Oh. Can't buy something better than that.